Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you a really cool way to turn your Garmin watch into a star map. So basically this free app turns your watch into a device that will point you to different items in the night sky, including the moon, the sun, several planets, constellations, different things like that. It uses your GPS and then the compass built into the watch to ensure that it's pointing you in the right direction, and it's actually surprisingly accurate. So to get this app installed, the first thing we need to do is go to our phone and open up the Garmin Connect IQ store. So on your phone, if you don't already have the Garmin Connect IQ store installed, or you're not sure if you have it installed, the best way to find if you do is to open up the Garmin Connect app, and that's the app you use to sync with your Garmin watch. Once you have the app open, simply select the three lines in the top left, then scroll down until you see Connect IQ Store. Open that. If you don't have the app installed, it'll take you to an area to where you can download it and install it in your respective app store. But if you have it installed, it'll go ahead and open up to the main screen right here. So the best way to actually find this app in the Garmin Connect IQ Store is to simply search stars. So when you search stars, it should be the first one that comes up. It's called SkyWatch. Go ahead and open that up. And then in here we can see images that kind of portray what it looks like when you're using it. So as you can see, it'll kind of point you in the right direction as you turn the back of your watch. So basically you're pointing your heart rate monitor towards whatever you're trying to look at. And then once you get to where you're close to it, it'll actually show the planet or the constellation, whatever, like that. In here you can also see reviews from people that use the app and have tried it. But real quick, before we get to where we're downloading it, I want to show you the list of compatible devices. So I'll just scroll through this list. It is pretty widely compatible with tons of Garmin watches, including some of the older ones such as the Forerunner 235. So there's your list right there. So once we're ready to actually download and install the app, all we need to do is select download. It does require some access to the sensors such as the compass and then GPS location. So I'm going to go ahead and select OK to allow that. Now once you've selected downloaded, it might show queued. That means it's currently in the process of downloading and installing it. To see an updated status on this, just go back to the main page of the Garmin Connect IQ store, then just select the little watch emblem in the top section of the Garmin Connect IQ store. And then once you get into manage device, if you see it under download queue, so as you can see SkyWatch is currently under download queue, that means it has not yet been installed. If you'd like to see what apps you have currently installed on your watch, you can go into my device apps right here. Once the app has been installed on the watch, it'll be in the same location as the activities on the watch, so such as like run, walk, those kind of things. On a Forerunner, you simply use the start or stop button to get into that section. Then from the top, if we scroll down, we'll see it on our list of available apps, and it might be at the bottom. Just select the app, that'll open it up, and then you're ready to use it, and you can use the up and down button to cycle through the different available items that it can navigate you to in the night sky. It tells you if they're below or above the horizon, and if they're not visible because of daylight or something like that. So really cool, it works very well, and one thing I have found is that it does not require the internet. So you don't need to be connected to your phone at all for this to work, which is really cool, especially since this app is free. So that's how you turn your Garmin watch into a star map. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.